What the heck? Toast, this is an emergency. What the heck?
What the heck? Why is it flooded over here? And why is the wall so up?
I don't know, but I think we're in a bad situation.
Did you hear that alarm?
Yeah, I hear it. It's beeping.
We're gonna go to the helicopter. Go.
All right.
Oh, we're here.
Oh my God.
What the heck? What the heck? It got higher.
Toast, you need to drive. You're about to crash us.
All right. Gotta go. All right, we made it. All right. We're not crashing it. Let's check the water. What the heck? It went up a little. It went like up 3 times.
Yeah.
How is the snowman still alive?
I don't know. This is really bad.
Oh, you almost pushed me off.
Oh, I'm sorry. Toast.
I'm gonna get back to the flying plane. Helicopter.
Yeah, it looks pretty bad down.
Okay, let's check now. I'm checking the little window. Oh my gosh, that's really close to us. Almost. Wait. Keep on driving, okay?
All right.
Let's check the water.
It's about to flood us.
What the? I think we should go on top.
Yeah,
Let's go.
good idea. Well, at least we'll last a little bit longer on the top.
I'm gonna
Toast,
sit right here.
Toast, I just wanted to say you were my best brother ever.
Yep, let's sit here. What the heck happened? I looked away for 1 second. What? Don't touch it. There might be fish in there.
Okay.
I said don't. Stop!
You hit me with the flipper.
Oops, I broke the helicopter. A piece of the helicopter broke off. Yeah. But we can use these for later. Don't sit on those. Those are
we can swim back in and we can turn the wait, did you pause it?
No.
Did you pause the propellers?
Yeah, I stopped the propellers. It's floating right now. I don't know how.
Okay, well we could stay up.
Wait, when it starts flooding a lot, we can go up there.
Go up where?
I'm gonna sit down.
The high dive?
I'm gonna sit down. Yeah, we can go on the high dive. I'm gonna sit down right now. Alright, no, not this again.
Oh god. Okay, we gotta climb up there.
Let's go climb. Oh, I cannot. What the heck? No. That's bad. This is really bad. This is really bad. That's really bad. Toast! I'm pissed. We're in the water. What the heck's happening? Where are we at?
I don't know.
Oh no.
We're on an island.
Wait, there's nothing down there.
What do we do?
I don't know. Lay down. So guys, we have something to explain. So our map got deleted I had the map. I had the old map copied. So then I just got kicked out of the game while this map was pasted in. And now it's gone. So there's gonna be a new map. We'll try to recreate the map, or we just make a whole new map. So yeah. Bye bye. Well, keep on. We're gonna start the thing. Okay, everything's gonna get better. We're not on an island. We're not on an island. We're on an island.
Wait, I know what to do. I know what to do. I know what to do. Toast. Does this hurt?
Yeah.
Does it hurt?
What? Does it hurt?
Yeah, does it hurt?
What do you mean?
I'm pinching you.
Oh, ah!
Okay.
This is
Well-
not. Lay down for a second. Yeah.
Okay. Why are we lying down? What the heck? Toast, did the island fall?
Oh, where's the water at?
I don't know.
Go.
Well, thank you guys so much for watching.
And I'm so sorry about the map. I got kicked out of the game, so it didn't save. So yeah. And peace.